Greetings, Roswell High School. Welcome to the 2021-2022 Open House. For those of you I have not yet met, my name is Robert Shaw, so proud and humbled to be serving in my 5th year as principal of this outstanding school. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we again have to do this presentation tonight virtually. But I'm very excited about the presentations that teachers have put together to show you not only all the great things that are going on in their classrooms, but all the opportunities that they're giving our students to excel academically this year. Before we start this evening, I really want to say thank you to many folks who have helped us get this school year off to a great start. First of all, thank you to our PTSA. And if you have an opportunity and have not yet done so, please join. Your membership is important. The volunteer work that the PTSA does for our school is important, and honestly, the funds go right to our students and our staff. So if you haven't done so, there's plenty of opportunities for you. Please check that box and join PTSA. Thank you also to our Governance Council, who works with me to make some very important decisions here at school. And we have so many booster clubs, athletic booster clubs, fine arts booster clubs, even our JROTC and our robotics teams have booster clubs. And those parents provide their time, talent, and treasure to give opportunities to our kids that they may not have had. Even if you're not part of a formal organization, thank you to our parents for all your emails and calls and support, again, as we got this school year started. Finally, I really want to thank our faculty and staff. They have been tremendous in getting this school year going. There's been some bumps in the road. Remember, we really haven't had a full schoolhouse for almost 18 months. But we're off, we're running, we're settling into routines, and we are excited for what is going to be a great school year. So as we talk about this school year, many of you may be familiar with what the Fulton County School District has done in the past, a strategic plan. This year, as we come out of, hopefully, the COVID-19 pandemic, the district has taken those strategic plans and boiled them down into what they're calling 3 rocks: relationships, instruction, and interventions. Here at Roswell High School, we have taken those 3 rocks and developed plans, strategies, and goals to be sure that we are developing those relationships, providing the best instruction, and supporting our kids who may need additional assistance. In terms of relationships, we have so many things that are going on. We spent a lot of time at the first week of school teaching our kids not just the rules and the regulations, but why it's important to be involved and the benefits and the privilege of being a Roswell Hornet. We've started a Power of Peace Club. This group, which is around the state of Georgia, sponsored by Kit Cummings, really sends the kids one important message: have a dream, have a goal, and then, and this is the important part, make decisions that help get you to that goal. We also, again, have therapeutic support for students, Chris 180. So for those students who are clients of Chris 180, parents can sign them up to have their clinical appointments during the school day right here in our building. And they're also on site for us as a resource, so we're very excited about that as well. The core of our instruction continues to be collaboration, PLCs, professional learning communities. Of course, good lesson plans, adherence to the curriculum, and did you know the administration has an instructional PLC? We wear many hats during the day, but once a week we sit down for an hour and talk only about teaching and learning at Roswell High School. Finally, interventions. It's no surprise that many of our kids are behind because of the pandemic. We have put in place and continue to put in place strategies to help our kids catch up, especially our seniors, whether it's what we're calling recuperation, better use of our study hall, increased use of our virtual lab, tutoring, whatever it may be. We are committed to getting all of our students back on track. It's on them to do the work, but we're certainly going to provide them the opportunities. As I close this presentation, I want to ask your support on one very important thing. I tell the students all the time that the most important things they do at Roswell High School are from 8:20 to 3:30 every day. They're academics. But the things they're going to remember, the relationships and friendships they're going to build, the things they're going to talk about at their 10-year and 20-year high school reunion, those are the things they do after school. Those are the clubs, activities, and sports that we want them to get involved in. To get the most out of their high school experience, we really want our students to be involved. On September 15th, we'll have a club fair, and during lunch, there will be club setups around the top of the track in the gym. And students are invited to see what all our clubs are, sign up, and get involved. So encourage your kids to find where they fit in at Roswell. Whether it's a sport, a club, an activity, there's something here for everybody. So in conclusion, thank you again for your support, and thank you for taking part of our open house. I know everybody has a lot of demands on their time, but we appreciate that you're going to be a part of this evening. Please let us know your questions and concerns. Again, thank you so much for all that you do for our kids and our staff and our community. Have a wonderful night.